Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have a special treat in store for you. We're diving into the world of Halloween and party supplies to showcase what we believe is the best mini Calderon on the market right now. That's right, we're talking about the mini plastic Cauldron bulk set from Cabilock. This set is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of magic to their Halloween festivities or any themed party. Let's jump right in. The mini plastic Cauldron set comes with 12 mini cauldrons, each measuring approximately 2 inches by 2.75 inches. These delightful little pots are made from sturdy plastic, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of a fun-filled Halloween night or any spirited event you might host. The classic black color adds to their charm, making them a versatile addition to your decorations. What sets these mini cauldrons apart is their thoughtful design. Each cauldron features a flat handle, making them easy to carry around, whether they're filled with treats or used as part of your decor. These handles also help prevent any spills, so you can be sure that all your goodies will stay securely inside. Imagine the delight on your guests' faces as they receive these adorable buckets filled with candy, chocolates, or even small party favors. The possibilities are endless. One of the standout features of these cauldrons is their versatility. Not only can they be used for holding treats on Halloween, but they can also be utilized for a variety of occasions. Fill them with foil coins, chocolates, or cookies for a magical birthday party, or use them as unique containers for small gifts. You can even get creative and transform them into novelty garden planters by drilling holes in the bottom for drainage. The mini cauldrons are truly a multifunctional gem that adds a playful touch to any gathering. These mini cauldrons are particularly perfect for Halloween and other spooky-themed parties. Whether you're hosting a witch-themed gathering or a classic trick-or-treating event, these cauldrons will set the mood beautifully. They can also serve as charming centerpieces on your dining table, adding that extra bit of whimsy that every celebration needs. And let's not forget, they make excellent props for Halloween costumes too. So, if you're looking for an affordable and fun way to spice up your Halloween or themed parties, the mini plastic Cauldron bulk set from Cabilock is your answer. With their sturdy construction, versatile design, and charming appearance, they're sure to impress both kids and adults alike. Don't miss out on adding these delightful mini cauldrons to your collection. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product recommendations and reviews. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried these mini cauldrons, or are you planning to get some for your next event? Until next time, happy partying!